Okay, so we've talked about buttons, extensions, facings. We haven't talked about the buttonhole itself, where the button goes through. How do we figure out the size of the buttonhole and where is it placed? The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online on Fashion Premier Academy. Roll it. Now, generally speaking, the buttonhole is the size of the button plus 1/8 of an inch. The size of the button plus 1/8 of an inch. If we have a 1-inch button, our buttonhole is 1 inch and 1/8. Where do we place our buttonhole? Some students think, well, we have an extension, so therefore the buttonhole must probably go in the extension. Wrong. That is not where it goes. Let me explain how that works. So we have 1 and 1/8. We have 1 and 1/8 buttonhole, right? So the way it works is 1/8 of an inch goes in the extension side, and the rest goes in the body, in the bodice side. This is where the buttonhole goes. In other words, it goes like this. So 1/8 of an inch goes in the extension, and the rest goes in the body part. One final note on buttonholes. Most people do not have a buttonhole machine, right? I mean, do you have one? Probably not. So let me show you a little trick on how you can create your own buttonhole at home using your regular sewing machine. Okay, follow me. Most sewing machines have a zigzag stitch, right? You know how to do a zigzag. So if you take your zigzag machine and you do a little zigzag like this, zigzag like this, right? And then do the other side like this. Okay, so you have 2 rows of zigzag. Then you take your pair of scissors and you put a cut, you slash it, you put a hole in here, you will have a homemade buttonhole. Okay? Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the videos available on Fashion Premier Academy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, which is every week. I'll see you in class.